What is AAVE? AAVE is a decentralized money market protocol where users can lend and borrow cryptocurrency. Users can lend and borrow across many different crypto assets by interacting with smart contracts. Lenders supply liquidity to pools and earn interest. Borrowers draw loans by providing collateral. AAVE supports over 20 assets as collateral, enabling flexible borrowing and yield opportunities. Its native token, AAVE, also enables governance, letting the community decide protocol direction. AAVE began as Ethland, founded in November 2017 by Stani Kulachov. Ethland raised $16.2 million in an ICO and rebranded to AAVE in September 2018. The native AAVE token launched in October 2020 with a 100 migration from the old token. Today, AAVE integrates and collaborates with many projects: Curve, 1inch, Synthetics, and more. Under the hood, AAVE runs on smart contracts that automate lending, borrowing, and interest. Lenders deposit assets into liquidity pools and receive interest from borrowers. Lenders earn two ways. First, the interest paid on loans. Second, a portion of flash loan fees when flash loans are used. Borrowers can choose fixed or variable rates depending on their needs. AAVE's standout product is the flash loan, uncollateralized but repaid within one transaction. In V2, users can swap collateral to another asset to avoid liquidation. V2 also lets borrowers repay loans using collateral in a single transaction. These features help protect users from liquidation risk and simplify management of positions. What is the AAVE token used for? There are three primary roles. Governance. AAVE holders vote on protocol upgrades via AAVE improvement proposals. Incentives. Stake AAVE to earn rewards or stake balancer pool tokens to earn multiple rewards. Mitigation. Staked AAVE functions as insurance to cover protocol shortfalls. In a deficit, staked AAVE may be slashed, for example up to 30%, to protect liquidity providers. Holders participate in governance by voting on proposals that change protocol parameters. Staked AAVE earns protocol rewards and a share of fees, aligning incentives for security. AAVE undergoes third-party audits. Multiple firms have reviewed the protocol since 2019. To date, AAVE has completed 13 audits from leading security firms. V2 is a protocol upgrade. Token holders and most users do not need to take action. You can long or short AAVE on derivatives platforms, but leverage is high risk. Understand the risks before trading. In short, AAVE lets you earn on deposits, borrow against crypto, participate in governance, and access unique tools like flash loans. Learn more at AAVE.com. Always do your own research before investing.